According to China EV Post, GAC Group and Huawei have signed a partnership to create a new premium new energy vehicle brand. The agreement was finalized on November 30, 2024, in Guangzhou. This new brand will join GAC's existing lineup, which includes Chery, Aion, and Hitech. GAC brings 27 years of vehicle manufacturing expertise, while Huawei contributes its advanced technology in intelligence and communication. The collaboration aims to focus on product development, marketing, and ecological services to deliver innovative smart vehicle experiences. Huawei's partnership models with automakers vary. In this case, the new brand will operate under Huawei's HIMA Harmony Intelligent Mobility Alliance. Current HIMA partners include Sears, Chery, BAIC Group, and GAC. Previously, GAC announced plans in 2021 to co-develop L4 self-driving cars with Huawei, targeting mass production in 2024. However, a joint SUV project between GAC's Aion and Huawei, initially planned for 2023, was later reassigned to Aion alone, with Huawei continuing as a key supplier. In related news, Huawei's joint brand with GAC, Maextro, recently unveiled the S800 luxury sedan. The starting price is $137,870. You are listening to Yuan News.